Today, we're going to talk about all things My Lead System Pro, one system that you can use for your business to generate leads and sales and make money off the 95% of the people who you talk to who don't want your primary business or offer. Hey, it's Brandon with BrandonHemming.com, where we help home-based business owners build, automate, and scale your business so that you can live your dream lifestyle. We do that by leveraging the power of funnels and proven marketing strategy. Hey, today we are going to talk about all things My Lead System Pro. More specifically, we're going to get you logged in. I'm going to show you around the back office, show you the tools, give you a quick overview of everything that we have back there for you to use for your business, just so that you can see for yourself before you even jump in for a $1 trial offer for 30 days. So my hopes is that you can use this as a great reference tool for you and your business. Trust me, it's a really good opportunity, but I want to really kind of just walk you through the steps because there's a lot here. First thing you want to do is go to myleadsystempro.com, and this is what you'll see. You'll see the training, pricing, blog, and login. So you could click on the training tab, and this is a lot of the stuff that you have available to you. Take a membership with My Lead System Pro. There's live daily coaching and simple action steps. Great stuff by 6 and 7-figure earners. Weekly webinars, lots of training in there. I'll show you the daily wake-up call, really good. There's funnel demos and marketing masteries. There's social media marketing masteries. Happy hour on Friday afternoons. Pricing. I'll show you this because you can go to myleadsystempro.com/pricing. See this for yourself. The basic plan is $42 a month. If you purchase annually, if it's monthly, it's $49, $119, and $179 for the premium. The premium gives you everything. It has all the upgrades and things like that, but most people are at the professional level. But you can see everything here as you get with the levels. The check marks, the marketing and training education, done for you marketing funnels. Those are huge. It takes a lot of the tech out of things. Private community access, a customer relationship manager. Great stuff. I have the unlimited access for myself. You can use pro media storage on these things. Okay. Funnels. You have 25, 25, and 100, depending on the system you use, the level. Custom domains, same thing. My Lead System Pro Business Center. You have access to the Business Center where you can create your own courses and sell those courses, create your own membership site, if you will, with the pro or the premium level. Courses, product offers, checkout funnels. These are very, very simple to use. I'm going to go through all of that in videos after this, so you'll be able to walk right through it. It won't be a problem. You can have an affiliate portal at the premium level, premium features, just a whole bunch more. So you can take a risk-free trial for $10 for a 10-day trial. Most everything is a $1 trial. You can participate in a program, which I'll give you access in one of the links down here that you can take one of the 10-day trials or the 30-day trial with a program like a 5-day challenge or something like that. The blog. They have their own blog, and everything in here is designed for you as an affiliate to be able to market their product. We'll come back to all the blog section because that's a whole nother section of how you can make money using My Lead System Pro. Okay, so then you come over here to the login. You will get a login email from My Lead System Pro once you actually sign up for at least a $1 membership. So here's your back office. On this front page, you will see stuff. Here's a calendar of everything that's going on for this week. It's typically the same each week. There's a new member orientation. There's marketing mastery and funnel demo. They go through new funnels and different things, or you can submit your own funnel to have it reviewed by these guys here, James Finale, Brian Finale, so they can actually go through this and look at it for you and give their critiques. Kind of neat stuff, and it's all included inside the membership site. Whether you're no matter what level you're on. Business marketing building, right? Social media network marketing and network prospecting. Happy hour, you can ask pretty much whatever you want. You get your own special links, right, to promote, like tonight's special training, 8 p.m. Call. Here's one that we're doing. Click to register. Private event. They actually give you some swipe files that you can actually use. If you just go across the level here, there's the home, which is where you're at. Here's leaderboards, groups, leadership development, members of the month. Start here. This is where you will actually come. We'll do a separate video. We're gonna start that one there. Account, your profile settings, autoresponders. We will go through all of these pieces in videos to come. So webinars, my membership, payment methods, affiliate account setup, earnings, your training, purchase courses. Yes, you can purchase additional courses while you're in here. Stuff like copywriting mastery, a massive amount of educational training if you want to. Your training library, premium mentorship. This is actually a premium level option. Register for upcoming webinars, wake-up calls, podcasts, MLSP affiliate strategies. We're going to hit that one really, really hard. It gives you sample ads and resources to look at. Training Vault as well. Training Vault is every program or every training they've done, weekly webinars for Wednesday night webinars forever. Websites, get general MLSP campaigns. Again, I'm going to show you how to use each one of these to leverage for your business. My Lead System Pro Business Center, Funnelizer, prospects. There's a CRM, Customer Relationship Manager, hosted media. This is some of the places that you can actually dig into and host your own media. QR codes that you can put out there for stuff. Store, different things you can purchase, advertising, stuff like that. Support, glossary, Facebook calendar. And that wraps up this portion of the video. Follow along here, and we're going to do another video here in just a second. We'll be right back.